What's up, guys? Super quick video here. I was asked, hey, how can you call a parent and them not know? So there's a course star 67. So you just push your little star 67. You have to put the area code, even if it's the same area code, and just the whole number, and that'll block your number, but just for one phone call. You can do it on some phones like iPhones, but usually with different services like Verizon, it's not a setting anymore. So you could just do this every phone call if you want. Also, there's services like Slidial. If you don't know about this one, it's a phone number that you can call. There's the phone number right there. You could look up the website, just slidial.com. And what that does is you call this phone number, then it'll ask you what phone number you want to call. So you type in the other phone number and it just goes directly to their voicemail. So you're not going to be calling and talking to someone, but it'll go directly to their voicemail. So let's just say you're like, I want to call these 5 people, leave them the same message, kind of like how remote services do. You could just call, go straight to their voicemail, then they'll get their voicemail. It won't show your phone number for sure. There's an app also on there. It does have ads. I mean, you listen to the little slide dial thing for a couple seconds, but it's super easy if that's the way you want to contact people without them knowing your phone number.